So yes, figs are a definite staple in my place. I love having them around the house. I love having them in the car. They're also a really great source of iron. So for all you ladies looking to up your iron, or even if you're a male and you're just, running lots, or losing a lot of sweat, you're sweating a lot, you're losing a lot of minerals, figs are a really great mineral replacement. Along with coconut water, you could do a fig coconut water smoothie, rehydrate these in the coconut water, and wow, what a drink. So there's some ideas for figs. And I also bought these organic mulberries. I've never had white mulberries before, so this is going to be really exciting. Let's see here. Okay, so this is a different brand. This is not Wild and Free, or is that, what is it? Wild and Raw. Sorry, I'm Wild and Free. Wild and Raw. Anthony's Organic Dried White Mulberries. Okay, gluten-free, GMO-free, vegan. Awesome. USD organic, gluten-free. Oh, I forgot to mention, all of these bags here, so like 34 ounces. Yeah, these are all about 34 ounces. Yeah, so $10 a bag. That is awesome. Awesome news. For sure. Okay, so these are a product of Turkey, and refrigeration not required, store in a cool, dry place. Awesome. Or one ingredient, organic dried mulberries. Awesome. Again, rehydrate them, put them in your smoothies. If this is like another way, if you instead of freezing, you dehydrate. It's so great when you rehydrate the dehydrated food. Then you're not, sucking out of all the moisture out of your own body. So these are awesome, super good ingredients. You can also buy figs in these little tiny packages. A lot of them do say sulfured. This one is organic, unsulfured. So a bonus there. Make sure that you are getting unsulfured stuff, and if it's one ingredient, that is the best. We've got some snacks here that are a few other ingredients. They have spices and different seasonings and that, but those aren't my go-tos all the time. They're definitely snack foods once in a while. I love fresh is best. That is my preferred. Definite organic. But these things are all bought at the grocery outlet here in San Luis Obispo. There's one in San Luis Obispo, or a couple. There's, one here where I am, Los Osos. But I'm guessing they're across California. So if they're by you, definitely check them out. This is all raw. Everything that I bought today is all raw. I'm super excited. These will be staples now for the next couple months. I'll have these around. So awesome value. In total, the grocery lady told me I saved $54. Yes. Feeling good about that. Okay, so these are some staples now that you know what's in my pantry. Go check them out for yourself and have fun creating. Sending lots and lots of love. Stay healthy and happy, and feel it to live it. Okay, bye for now. Mwah.